Hi, I'm Will.
And I'm Robyn,
and we're building on our land.
We are eager to see how everything comes together at this stage, especially our home's footprint, where it's going to sit, and the porches. The brick color I chose is something I'm really looking forward to seeing installed. The view from those porches with the pond and the trees around is going to be perfect. Our home required a crawl space, but we weren't sure how high it would be off the ground or how much brick would be used. The crawl space turned out to be higher than we expected, but we are really pleased with the result. Working in the design studio at Keystone Homes, I've heard from other buyers that sometimes the house looks smaller than expected when the foundation is first poured. However, maybe because our foundation is a bit taller, we never got that feeling. To others at this stage or planning to build, definitely look into the different foundation options and understand the pros, cons, and costs of each option. It's also a great time to decide on what the front of the house will look like, whether it's split-face block, stucco, stone, brick, siding, or something else entirely. Stay tuned for the next video
In our Build on Your Land journey.